What's up, guys? Cyher 120 here with another video. Today is another unboxing video. After a series of unboxing videos, I believe the first one was my Xbox One controller, which is right here. My second one was of my PlayStation 4. My third one is this PlayStation 4 controller, which is not mine. This one is my brother's one. Around the time that we both ordered PlayStation 4, and he decided to get this on Black Friday. So, hey, I need to start uploading videos. Hey, what the heck, this, let me get his permission, might as well just do an unboxing video. There's no point, really. I just want to make a video for y'all, so hope y'all like it anyway. But I didn't take it out of the box yet, but in the comparison, this is mine from my PlayStation 4. I'll do a comparison. I don't see much of a difference. Well, yeah, PlayStation, Sony, new color. Dualshock 4 wireless controller for PS4, obviously. All the good stuff. Alright, let's open this up. Of course, I cut the back seal and I didn't see the sides. Therefore, I will have to pause and play again. Alright then, be right back. Alright, now I got it off. Now I can open it. Okay. If it comes with any membership cards, then I have to blur. Well, I don't know how to blur stuff because I don't edit my videos. Oh, this is raw cut. Hold up. Don't mind my feet. Oh, there it goes. Yes. Alright. Empty box. This. Not important. Controller. That's about it. It looks nice. I need to get me one. But the PlayStation 5 is supposedly coming out. So it's like, no point of getting a whole new, PlayStation 4 controller if in a couple months, I believe, the PlayStation 5 is supposed to be coming out. So yeah. But here it is. Alright, here's my brother's. And here's mine. I think he has a gold one also. I don't feel like going in his room to borrow it. But he has a gold one. And this is his army. Red, burgundy, and black color. Like I said, it's pretty cool. It's nice. But yeah, that's about it. Again, I just wanted to put out some videos for y'all. So it's nothing special. Yeah, these unboxing videos of, controllers and whatever. Yeah, okay. Any electronic device or anything that I get that I see as unboxing worthy, I'll unbox it. So, yeah. But anyway, I know this video was short and maybe even meaningless, but at least I'm uploading, But that being said, I hope you liked the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Tyher 120 out. Peace.